Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about the billion network airdrop. Alright, so we are going to be talking about how you can be able to do the KYC and all the latest updates concerning this billion network airdrop is going to be shared right here on this video. So if you're hearing about billion network airdrop for the first time, you are still pretty much early to the project. Go ahead, use the link right there on the video description box to create your account and start farming this airdrop together with us right now. So right now guys, once you are at this point, this is how your dashboard is going to be looking like. You are going to be seeing your point total, referral and referral link. Everything is just working perfectly right here. And as you all know, we are required to come over here and check in every single day, right? So right now guys, if you have already got your account up to this point, what you need to do right now is the KYC. Even if you are starting this airdrop today, you can still go ahead and perform the KYC together with us. All right, so right now guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Crypto Mechanic, and on this channel guys, I give you guys latest updates about airdrop. I introduce promising airdrop that could help you earn $50, $100 and even above, and all about each airdrop I'm introducing. I keep you in track to make sure that you do not miss out. All right, so if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, or if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, kindly do well to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscription button down below. And once that is done, let's now continue with the video. So right guys, the first thing you need to do to start your billion network KYC is to go ahead to your Play Store. Okay, you need to come over here to your Play Store. You need to download this app called Billions. All right, you can see this app is currently on the beta phase. You are still very early to this, so we might encounter some errors while we are trying to find out how we can be able to go around the whole thing. So let's now go ahead and jump in. So after installing this app called Billions, you go ahead and click on open. All right, once you click on open, this is what you're going to be seeing. And over here, once you download the install the app for the first time, you are going to be required to log in. But if you are logging in, you need to make sure that you are using the same credentials that you use to create accounts on their websites right here. You need to make sure you're using the same credential. For example, the same email, and everything that you have right here is automatically going to be imported right here once you have done the whole thing completely. So to start with, you need to go ahead and verify human credentials right here. Okay, after verification, then you can claim this. And over here we have human credential again right here. You need to verify it, all right, before you can claim. So let's start with the first one. You click on claim right now, and once you click on claim, you are going to be required to select your country. Currently I'm in Nigeria, so I will select Nigeria, and that's my country. I will click on continue, and over here we are going to be required to snap our passport. All right, so snapping our passport right now, I'm going to click on open and scan right here. All right guys, and right now guys, I've actually given this many tries, but I just can't pass this. So what I did was that I went back then I did the second verification, which is this one. I did this verification. This one can go, but one thing you need to know right here is that it took me a whole lot of time for me to just verify this one right now. It took me close to 20 minutes as I was waiting for the verification to go through. So if you cannot access this one right now, if you can't verify this one right now, go ahead and verify this one. This one goes for now. All right, so right now that I have done the verification for this one, and over here on this one right here, you are only going to be required to take a picture of yourself. Just snap yourself, and that was how you verify this one. But from this one, you are required to upload the picture of your ID, maybe a national ID, something like that. So that is basically all you need to know right now concerning the verification. Once you are done with the verification, then you need to go ahead and click over here that we have verify. All right, and once you click on verify, it is going to load up, and you are going to be taken to your initial dashboard where all your data are. You are going to be brought right here. And one other thing you need to know right now is that when you scroll down, you can see we have this task saying verify identity, and over here on verify identity, you are literally going to be verifying this. But over here right now, I was able to verify one and I couldn't verify the other. So right now I will click on verify and earn 60 power right now. So I haven't done this one, so this I don't think this will go through. Processing proof, let me see what I'm gonna have right here. I don't think it will go through because I think this is the one that I couldn't verify. Okay, let's just give it a little time to load up, and we're gonna be seeing what we're gonna have right here. Okay, surprisingly enough, it has gone through. So you can see this app isn't responding, so I will click on wait. I will close this right now. You can see I have now completed this first verification. Let me try the second one. I will click on this to see what I'm gonna have right here. I will click on continue. Okay, you can see this is the one that actually that I couldn't verify. All right, obviously right here you can see that it offers the best point reward. I'm going to be getting 2000 power, but for this one that I've been able to verify, I only got 600 power. But in the future, this is going to be going through, you are going to be able to verify it in the future. This is, this is the beta phase, meaning that the app is still under development, and in the future we are going to be able to verify this one right now. And once we have been able to verify it, then we can go back and claim our 2000 power points. All right, so that is basically all you need to know right now concerning this billion network AI airdrop. This is how you need to go around the KYC. So because I didn't succeed on my own end, doesn't mean that you cannot succeed at your own end. Go ahead and try it out at your own end to see results. There's actually a code that you need to input right here so that you can be able to earn some points for yourself. All right, so the code is right here on our Telegram channel. Over here on our Telegram channel, then you are going to be seeing that this is the post that I made. You can see this code right here, bullion 400 points. You have to copy it like this. Okay, you have to copy this code. Okay, my bad, I'm trying to copy this right now. Okay, and right now I have to copy it like this. And once you copy it from your own end, you need to come over here, you paste the code, then you click on apply. I've already applied this, so I'm not going to be succeeding this time because I've already applied. You can see the promo code is already being used, meaning that I've used it already. So this is basically all you need to know right now concerning this power billion AI, how to go around the KYC processes and all that. All right, so if you are here to start this airdrop, you are still very early to it. Do not give up. Go right now, use the link right there on the video description box to start earning from this opportunity facing you right now. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. If you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section and I'll be there to help you resolve it immediately. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.